everyone, welcome to Thai Food for FARANG. Nice to see you again. My name is Summer. I'm the chef from Thai Box on Track. Today is a very nice day. I'm bringing you outdoor and show you how to cook Thai food today. I'm very excited because this dish is the most famous dish in Thailand. And if you go to Thai restaurant, this dish is highly recommended. It's called PadThai. Let's see what do we need for the ingredient. So today we're making authentic PadThai. And the most important ingredient is PadThai sauce. So let's see what do we need for the PadThai sauce. We need the tamarind juice, 3 cups, palm sugar, 3 tablespoons, sugar, 3 tablespoons, fish sauce, 2 tablespoons, salt, 1 teaspoon. If you like spicy, you can use the SRIRACHA sauce for 2 tablespoons. If you like more sour, you can put vinegar for 2 tablespoons. And let's start cooking for the PadThai sauce. So now the tamarind juice is boiling. Then we put palm sugar, fish sauce, salt, I like spicy, so I put SRIRACHA hot sauce. And then vinegar. Then we boil until the sugar is melted. So all ingredient is boiling. Now we got the PadThai sauce. Let's see what we need for PadThai. First, we need noodles, rice noodles. I put rice noodles in the warm water for half hour, so then you will get like this noodle. Radish for 1 tablespoon, garlic 1 teaspoon, and dry shrimp. This is optional. If you like dry shrimp, then you can put it. If not, then you can skip it. Tofu, prawn, egg, chive, oil, bean sprout, and water. Then PadThai sauce. Let's cook. Let the pan is hot, and then we put the oil for 2 tablespoons. Radish, 1 tablespoon. Garlic. Stir fry 1 minute. And then I put the shrimp, dry shrimp. Tofu. smells good. Then put the egg. You let the egg cook first, and then you can cook prawn after this. You don't need to cook prawn too long because prawn cook very fast and then you put the noodle. You put this much noodle, don't need to put too much noodle. Stir fry first. And then put some little water. Make the noodle become softer. And when you see the noodle become softer, then you put the tamarind sauce. The tamarind sauce that you made before. 2 serving spoons. The PadThai because I already taste the sauce before when I'm making the PadThai sauce. And thanks for watching. If you like our video, please click like and subscribe and follow us for the next video what we're gonna make for the Thai authentic dish. See you next time. Thank you. Bye. Bye.